Hey guys, Mario Martinez Jr. here, CEO of Vengreso. Hope you're doing well. And this is a follow-on video to an earlier one that I talked about, the new LinkedIn smart intelligence or artificial intelligence that LinkedIn has built in, that you can actually publish content and pull and attract people in using that new magnet button. So many have been asking me, well, how does it work? And does it reach first degree and or second degree connections? Well, I've got some added insights here today for you. So what I want to show you here today is a couple of things. You'll see in my newsfeed this particular post right here from my friend Jimmy Hackett. Now, Jimmy has engaged and joined a conversation. You can see it says right here that may interest me with people who know management and leadership. Now, it's important to note that these skills, management and leadership, are in fact in skills, in my skills section on my LinkedIn profile. And that is why it's pulling up. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is Jimmy a first degree or second degree connection? Well, in fact, Jimmy is a first degree connection. And so what I've done here already is I'm going to show you that Jimmy's my first degree connection here. And now that you know that he's my first degree connection, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on this because I wanted to understand, how did I get this into my stream? How did I get this into my notifications of add your thoughts? And anything you see that's add your thoughts, that is the new magnet button that's pulling people in to engage with a specific post. So I'm going to click on this particular post, and you can see here Jimmy's the one who commented on it. And by the fact that he commented on it within my network is now the reason why that I'm seeing it. And here's why. Because Kurt is not somebody, as you can see, that's in my network. He is a second degree connection. So the reason why I'm now seeing it is because Jimmy, who's in my first degree, actually commented on it. And apparently, my guess is Kurt has used the magnet button to be able to pull people in with the actual skill set, management and leadership. And as a direct result, because Jimmy, engaged on it. Now it's showing up into his first degree network, which essentially you can see how this could get really large and really massive to pull in potential buyers who share a specific skill set. Now that's very important you understand that this new feature is all about creating engagement with people who share a similar skill set. So if all you've got are skills related to the job search, well, you're never going to pull in your particular buyers if you're in sales. But if you're selling to a specific industry, like we sell to sales and we sell to marketing, then you best have skills that align to the sales and marketing industry. If you sell to IT, if you sell to purchasing, if you sell to manufacturing, whoever, you need to make sure that your skills are aligned to your particular buyer set in addition to the normal skills that you would have. Now, I'm going to show you another example here. And this is another one that you see right here in my news feed. And this is taken from Matt Berman. Now, Matt here is a marketing strategist, and he wants to hear, notice the change in terminology, wants to hear from people who know social media marketing. So Matt is now using the magnet to pull people in, and it's showing up in my news feed and under the add your thoughts button right here, as you can see. So what this is doing is it's pulling in everybody from his first degree network. So many of you asked, all right, Mario, and by the way, I'm going to show you Matt right here. You can see he's my first degree connection. Therefore, it is pulling up in my newsfeed. So many have asked me, so Mario, does this feature actually reach second degree connections that have a skill set that you're trying to reach? And the answer to that question is I'm not exactly sure 100%, but I believe the answer is yes and no. No, in that it will go out to your first degree network and everybody that's sharing a specific skill set that you map the magnet button to, based upon the content that you've filled in into your status post, it'll pull those first degree in. However, if somebody in another person's network has engaged and is pulling in people within a specific skill set that I'm not connected to, and like you saw in the example of back over here, Kurt, where Kurt is not published something, but Jimmy is in his network. And as a result of Jimmy engaging, now LinkedIn is saying, hey, because you're a first degree connection with Jimmy and a second degree with Kurt, you may be interested in this particular content because he's looking for somebody with management and leadership skill set. So yes and no. Hopefully that helps answer your question in terms of how this feature, the magnet feature, we're going to call it, with some artificial intelligence built in, is actually working. If you missed the other video of what the heck this magnet button does, then make sure you ping me, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see a pop-up happen right now that will show you the YouTube related video. And if you're on LinkedIn, I'm actually going to publish this, and the other video is associated with the first video I created on the magnet button. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me. You know how to get a hold of me, Mario Martinez Jr. on LinkedIn at M_3JR or Vengreso, VENGRESO.com. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon.